You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. It designates quite a few different things, including a painting by Renoir. You have some hotels and quite a few places in France that are named that way. Restaurants too. La Grenouillère, meaning that's essentially where the frogs live, frog's house, let's say. Grenouille is French for frog. Grenouillère. Grenouillère is where the frogs live. La Grenouillère. La Grenouillère. In English, La Grenouillère. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.